Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today we are going to talk about negative slope, specifically focusing on lines that fall. The most important rule when reading a graph is the same as reading a book. You always look from left to right. Notice how this line goes down as your eyes move to the right. Think of it like skiing down a hill or walking down a flight of stairs. If you are moving forward, but your height is going down, that represents a negative change. We calculate slope using the formula rise over run. For a negative slope, the rise is actually a drop, so we use a negative number. The run is always positive. A negative divided by a positive equals a negative. Let's look at an example. Here we have a line passing through 0, 4, and 4, 0. The rise goes down 4 units, so it is negative 4. The run goes across 4 units. Negative 4 divided by 4 gives us a slope of negative 1. Here is a steeper line. It starts higher at 0, 6 and ends at 2, 0. It drops 6 units for every 2 units it moves over. Negative 6 divided by 2 equals negative 3. To summarize the difference, positive slope goes up like a mountain, 0 slope is flat like the ground, and negative slope goes down like a slide. Remember these key points. Negative slope means the line goes down from left to right. When calculating, your rise will always be a negative number. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.